Hi, little artists. It's time for another fun drawing journey. Get ready to sketch, color, and create something amazing. Show us your art and win a prize. After you finish your drawing, ask a parent to help you upload a photo using the link in the text to the video. Every month, one lucky artist will receive a surprise prize in the mail. You can send one drawing per week. Winners are announced on the first of each month. Open to kids ages 4 to 14 with a valid mailing address. Our drawing is done, but your imagination never ends. Until next time, keep creating, keep dreaming, and keep smiling.